This is my second video of my Hemi running. This is a 1957 Chrysler Hemi 354 cubic inch. This street rod was put into storage in the early 90s, and I just pulled it out this summer of 2021 and got it running about a month ago, the first time I got it running. And I have been running it periodically over the last month. And so I wanted to make another video of it running again. So reach in and start it up. Got exhaust pipes coming out both sides. Chevy water pump adapted to it, and the Chevy starter adapted to it, a 700R4 automatic transmission, electronic distributor off a 318, 340 Chrysler engine. It also has an oil pump out of the 340 Chrysler engine in it. So, upgrade it. Wraps right up there, runs nice and smooth. When I had first gotten this engine going about a month ago, I had one lifter on it that would flatter a little bit. It was just a little bit sticky, but as you can see with me running it periodically since then, that lifter has freed up. You don't hear it at all this time. So that's not going to be an issue.